A spot exchange rate is the currency exchange rate for immediate delivery, which for most currencies means the exchange of currencies takes place 2 days after the trade. A forward exchange rate is a currency exchange rate for an exchange to be done in the future, which can be 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, or 1 year. When a firm buys or longs a currency forward, it's obliged to exchange a specific amount of the base currency for a specific amount of price currency on a future date specified in the contract. You may wonder how this would be useful. Consider an Australian firm that will receive 10 million euros from a German firm 90 days from now. If the Australian firm is uncertain that the euro will retain its value 90 days from now, it can lock in the current forward rate by entering into a forward agreement. For example, the forward covers 10 million euros at the 90-day forward rate of 1.5597 AUD per euro. This essentially means that the Australian firm has agreed to exchange the 10 million euros 90 days later for 15.597 million AUD with another counterparty. A forward exchange rate quote can be expressed as an absolute value, which in this case is 1.5597, or in terms of the difference between the spot exchange rate and the forward exchange rate. For example, if the spot exchange rate for AUD per euro is 1.5520, the 90-day forward exchange rate can be expressed as spot plus 77 pips or points. Remember, 1 pip is 0.0001, or the fourth decimal place. So if the 180-day rate is spot plus 121 pips, the absolute 180-day forward rate is therefore 1.5641. When the forward rate is higher than the spot rate, we say there is a forward premium. Since €1 can buy more AUD in the future, we expect the euro to appreciate against AUD and AUD to depreciate against the euro. Conversely, when the forward rate is lower than the spot rate, we say there is a forward discount. Since €1 buys less AUD in the future, we expect the euro to depreciate against AUD and AUD to appreciate against the euro. Calculating the forward discount or forward premium is very straightforward. It's basically the percentage difference between the forward rate and the spot rate using this formula. So in this case, the 90-day forward premium of the AUD per euro rate is therefore 0.496%. Since we have the forward rate for 3 months, we could annualize the discount simply by multiplying by 4. Now, one important question that we haven't addressed is, what determines the forward premiums or discounts? To answer this, we need to understand the arbitrage relationship between the spot rate, forward rate, and the interest rates in the two countries. Let's say the 1-year interest rate for risk-free government debt is 5% in Australia and 3% in the Eurozone. Assuming that the spot and 1-year forward rates are the same at 1.552, an arbitrager can earn riskless profits by taking the following steps. Firstly, he borrows €1,000 for 1 year at the risk-free rate of 3% and uses it to purchase AUD at the spot rate. He invests the AUD at the risk-free rate of 5% for a year, and at the same time, he enters into a currency forward to sell AUD at the forward rate of 1.552. After 1 year, he would have 1,629.6 AUD, including interest. As he has the forward contract, he can sell the AUD at 1.552 rate, which means he exchanges all the AUD for €1,050. He repays his loan with interest and he pockets €20 totally risk-free with 0 cash outlay. If you've gone through the derivatives course, you would have learnt that such arbitrage opportunities cannot persist. Arbitrageurs will pursue this opportunity, which is to sell euro to buy AUD, which decreases the AUD per euro spot rate, and selling the AUD forward, which increases the forward exchange rate. This continues until the forward rate is at a no arbitrage level against the spot rate. So here, we see that when the forward rate is increased to 1.5821, the net cash flow at the end of the year to the arbitrageur is 0. This level, where there is no more arbitrage opportunity, is the equilibrium level for the forward exchange rate. The no arbitrage relationship between the forward rate, spot rate and interest rates is as such. If we plug in all the figures into this relationship, the equation balances, meaning there is no arbitrage opportunity and the rates are priced correctly.
You're watching an excerpt from our comprehensive animation library. For more videos like these, head on down to prepnuggets.com. At Prep Nuggets, let us do the hard work for you.